You can take the princess if you know if this sentence is correct or not. I have played golf yesterday.
That's easy. It is correct because it is an experience and you use the word have.
You are wrong, my friend. Watch this video and learn why it isn't a correct sentence.
English is easy. Past simple versus present perfect. With time versus without time. I broke my leg when I was a child. I have broken my leg. It is still broken.
I ate a lot during the holiday. I have just eaten. I am not hungry.
You ran a marathon a year ago. You have run a marathon. You are tired.
I read about it yesterday. I've read about it. I know about it.
He left 10 minutes ago. He has left. He is not here.
She got a car last week. She has got a car. She got a car and still has it.
We read the book last year. We have read the book. We know what is in the book.
They drink a lot of coffee in the afternoon. They have drunk a lot of coffee. They cannot sleep.
I have got a ball. I got it last month.
English is easy. Questions. Asking about time versus asking about experience.
When did you last play golf? Have you ever played golf? When did you see this film? Have you ever seen this film?
When did she go to China? Has she ever been to China? When did he last have a job? Has he ever had a job?
When did we meet his girlfriend? Have we met his girlfriend? When did they see your house? Have they seen your house?
When did you drive a sports car? Have you ever driven a sports car?
When did she divorce her husband? Has she ever got a divorce? When did he get married? Has he ever been married?
I haven't played golf before.
Has she read Romeo and Juliet? When did she read it?
Have you read Romeo and Juliet? When did you read it?
Yes, I have. I read it when I was 18.
We have read a lot of books. I read a book last week. It was about a cat who saved the world from evil dogs.
When did she drive a forklift?
Have you ever driven a forklift?
Yes, I have. I drove a forklift yesterday. I am a forklift driver.
I have already climbed a forklift.
When did they last eat Chinese food?
Have you ever eaten Chinese food?
Yes, it is our favorite. We had Kung Pao yesterday.
I have eaten Chinese food many times.
I ate Chinese food when I was a puppy. It was too spicy. I haven't eaten Chinese food since then.
Has she ever painted a flower? When did she paint one?
Have you ever painted a flower? When did you last paint one?
Yes, I have. I painted one last year. I haven't painted one this year.
I have never seen a fly trap. I heard it is a flower that eats meat, just like me.
Has she ever had a job? When did she quit?
Have you ever had a job?
Yes, I have. I quit when my baby was born. I haven't worked in an office since then.
I am a mouse catcher. It is the most important job in the world.
Has she ever been to the victim's apartment? When did she last see the victim?
Have you ever been to the victim's apartment?
Yes, I have. I was there about a week ago. I haven't seen him since then.
She has been honest with you. She has never lied.
Has the weather been good this year? When did it last rain?
Has the weather been good for you this year?
Yes, it has been perfect. It rains at night and the sun shines during the day.
Our flowers have become so beautiful.
It was raining cats and dogs last night.
Where has the pilot just been? When did he land?
Where have you just been?
I have been to Paris. We landed 20 minutes ago.
Paris is really beautiful. It's a pity we were there only for 2 days.
We landed only 2 minutes late.
When did the biker last ride a bicycle?
When did you last ride a bicycle?
I rode bicycles before I got a motorbike. I haven't ridden a bicycle for 5 years.
I've never seen him riding a bicycle.
I rode a washing machine yesterday. It was great fun.
When did the singer last sing in the Sydney Opera House?
When did you last sing in the Sydney Opera House?
I sang there 2 weeks ago. I haven't sung there for 2 weeks.
I have heard you sing a lot of times. I am a big fan.
When did the climber last climb outdoors?
When did you last climb outdoors?
I climbed outdoors in the summer. It is February now. I haven't climbed outdoors for half a year now.
I climbed a tree last weekend. It is Thursday now. I haven't climbed a tree for 4 days.
When was the last time the teacher taught chemistry?
When did you last teach chemistry?
I used to teach chemistry. The last time I taught chemistry was 5 years ago. I haven't taught chemistry for 5 years.
He has never taught about cats.
How many cars has he sold? When did he last sell a car?
How many cars have you sold in your life?
I have sold thousands of cars. I sold one just an hour ago.
He sold a green car half a year ago. He hasn't sold a green car for half a year.
Has he ever written a bestseller? When did he finish his last book?
Have you ever written a bestseller? When did you finish your last book?
Yes, I have written many bestsellers. I finished the last one a year ago. It has already sold millions of copies around the world.
I have never read his books because he has never written about cat heroes.
When did the drummer last play the drums?
It was quiet here only for a week.
I hoped he would never play the drums again.
The last time I played was a week ago. I haven't played for a week. I have to play twice as much today.
When did the builder last take a break?
When did you last take a break?
I took a break at 1 o'clock. I haven't taken a break for 2 hours.
I haven't seen my girlfriend for a week now. I miss her so much.
When did the cook last cook fish?
When did you last cook fish?
I cooked fish 2 weeks ago. I haven't cooked fish for 2 weeks.
I haven't eaten fish for 2 weeks.
When did the shop assistant have his last customer?
When did you have your last customer?
I had one customer yesterday. I haven't had a customer all day. The economy is really bad.
There hasn't been anyone here today. Not even a mouse.
When did the runner last run a marathon?
Have you ever run a marathon?
I ran a marathon 3 years ago. I haven't run a marathon for 3 years.
I haven't chased a cat up a tree for 3 days.
Tell me about the experiences of these people and say what they did yesterday. Play a pirate.
She has played a pirate. She played a pirate yesterday.
Run a marathon.
She has run a marathon. She ran a marathon yesterday.
Never catch a fish.
He has never caught a fish. He didn't catch a fish yesterday.
Fight a dragon.
He has fought a dragon. He fought a dragon yesterday.
Cook Chinese food.
She has cooked Chinese food. She cooked Chinese food yesterday.
Build a sandcastle.
She has built a sandcastle. She built a sandcastle yesterday.
Have an accident.
He has had an accident. He had an accident yesterday.
Ride a motorbike.
She has ridden a motorbike. She rode a motorbike yesterday.
Take photos of the Eiffel Tower.
He has taken photos of the Eiffel Tower. He took photos of the Eiffel Tower yesterday.
Catch many criminals.
She has caught many criminals. She caught a criminal yesterday.
Walk home from work.
She has walked home from work. She walked home from work yesterday.
Play basketball.
He has played basketball. He played basketball yesterday. Say what these people did last year and what they haven't done since then. Read a good book.
She read a good book last year. She hasn't read a good book since last year.
Dance in a disco.
He danced in a disco last year. He hasn't danced in a disco since last year.
Watch birds in the woods.
He watched birds in the woods last year. He hasn't watched birds in the woods since last year.
Play tennis.
He played tennis last year. He hasn't played tennis since last year.
Sing karaoke.
He sang karaoke last year. He hasn't sung karaoke since last year.
Play the guitar.
He played the guitar last year. He hasn't played the guitar since last year. She made a fruitcake last year. She hasn't made a fruitcake since last year.
Drink wine.
They drank wine last year. They haven't drunk wine since last year.
I am back for the princess. I played golf yesterday. I have already played golf.
Your English has got better. I will not fight you. You can take the princess. Keep learning. I have made lots of videos for you.
Do you want to dance?
You have learnt about the past. You have learnt how to speak about experience. Click on the video to learn more with my videos.